Good morning, student. Today we are going to start Class 6 Civics Chapter 1 Understanding Diversity. In this chapter, you will learn about diversity means people are different from each other in many ways as they belong to different region, culture and backgrounds. This makes India interesting and diverse. Now, so many questions arises. What does diversity add to our life? How did India become like this? Can diversity also be a part of unity, etc.? We will get all these answers while understanding this chapter. Students, if I tell you to draw a human figure, then is it possible that all your drawings are similar or have in same style? No, because you all have different and unique drawing style. Same on, we all have different languages, different culture, background, habit, interests, etc. So we all are different from each other. Do you think if would be easy for you to make friends with someone who was very different from you? Answer may be yes or no, but we look a story here. A boy Samir selling newspaper in the city and one another boy whose name was also Samir looked him selling newspaper in busy road every day. One day he asked for Hindi newspaper. The seller boy Samir surprised as he was looking like a foreigner according to him and asking for Hindi newspaper. Then the second boy Samir told him that he knew Hindi well as he studied in school as a subject. Next day he gave him Hindi newspaper and second boy Samir explained him about subject. What is the subject? Now they become friends and talk a lot. They both are different, belong to different family, background, know different languages, culture, but they are the friends now. We also said these as a these differences as an inequality. Now, how it's happened? Inequality comes when a person does not have same resources and opportunities as other. One of a major inequality in society is caste system, where society was divided into groups depending upon their work. Now let's find the answer. What does diversity add to our life? You all like to read or hear stories on different topics. We all have different choices and feel happy when we get our own choice. Writers get ideas from different places, situations, and real life situations and with imaginations also. And with imaginations also, imagine if all writers lived in the same place with same food, cloth, same situations, then what kind of a story they would write? You can imagine. We all know India is a diverse country. As people are of different culture, religion, language live together, India have a diverse region due to its unique historical background. And diversity also comes when people living in different geographical areas they adapt their habits according to them. We understand that historical and geographical factors influence diversity of a region. One example is given here. People living in Kerala and Ladakh have different food habits, custom, culture because they have different geographical and historical background. Just read it. It is given here in the box about Ladakh and Kerala. Now, unity in diversity. What is unity in diversity? Of course, India is a diverse country, but its diversity has been recognized as its strength. As we look our struggle for independence from British, all people from different caste, culture, religion fought and protest together and sacrifices their life. Freedom struggle remind our rich diversity. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru in his book Discovery of India very well described about unity in diversity.